Hi there, everyone. Struggling to get visitors to take action on your website? A lack of social proof might be the reason they hesitate and leave. If you run an e-commerce store, manage a marketing agency, or want to boost credibility, a powerful tool can help. Today, we're diving deep into the Proofly Lifetime Deal, a game changer in social proof notifications. Beginners and professionals alike can benefit from this deal. Let's explore how Proofly can enhance conversions and build trust effortlessly. What is Proofly? Proofly is a powerful tool that helps businesses increase credibility and drive conversions by displaying real-time notifications of customer activity. It showcases recent purchases, signups, live visitor counts, and customer reviews, reinforcing trust and engagement. The platform offers seamless integration with Shopify, WordPress, Google Sheets, Zapier, and other services, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Users can customize notifications to align with their branding, fine-tune messaging through A/B testing, and track performance with built-in analytics. Proofly makes social proof effortless, helping businesses turn hesitant visitors into confident buyers while enhancing user engagement and increasing sales. Seize these limited-time lifetime deals on AppSumo. Normally, this kind of trust-boosting software costs hundreds of dollars a year, but with this lifetime deal, you pay once and enjoy it forever. Here's the breakdown of the different plans. Basic plan, $29, originally $99. Offering 5 connected domains, 25 created notifications, 50,000 monthly impressions, access to 11 widget types. Advanced plan, $58, originally $198. Offering 10 connected domains, 50 created notifications, 100,000 monthly impressions, access to 14 widget types. Unlimited plan, $87, originally $297. Offering unlimited connected domains, unlimited created notifications, unlimited monthly impressions, access to all widget types. One-time payment, lifetime access, no monthly fees. 60-day money-back guarantee, try it risk-free for 2 months. 6 most important features that make Proofly special. Real-time notifications. Show visitors that others are making purchases, creating urgency and FOMO. Highly customizable. Tailor notifications to match your brand's design and vibe. Seamless integration. Works with Shopify, Zapier, Google Sheets, Calendly, and more. Data-driven optimization. Built-in analytics to track and refine notifications for higher conversions. A/B testing. Compare different notification styles to see what works best. Easy setup. Just a simple code snippet, no tech skills needed. Who can benefit from Proofly? E-commerce stores, marketers, marketing agencies, coaches and course creators, SaaS companies, affiliate marketers, service-based businesses. If you fit into any of these categories or just want to increase credibility, then Proofly is a must-have. Your chance for 10% extra savings at AppSumo. Got your eyes on the Proofly Lifetime Deal? Well, here's some good news for you. You can save even more on this already amazing deal. How to grab this deal? Visit the Proofly Lifetime Deal page on AppSumo. Look for the special discount pop-up bar. Enter an active email address. Use the same email at checkout. Enjoy your extra 10% discount. Big savings, big impact. Don't miss out. Every second you wait, potential customers are slipping away. Don't let them leave without taking action. Proofly is the easiest way to boost conversions, build trust, and increase engagement. With a lifetime deal at this price, it's an absolute steal. Check the link in the description to secure your lifetime deal now. If you found this review helpful and want more insights on amazing tech deals, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, happy converting.